This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, I'm Eric Hine, and with me today again is Dr. Deidre Blanks with Wilmington Aesthetic. Hello, Dr. Blanks.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing excellent. Great to have you here.
Good to be here.
We are obviously around the time of year where people are rethinking what they're going to do for the spring and summer months, and we want to talk a little bit today about cosmetics.
Yes. At Wilmington Aesthetic, we offer both skincare consultations and makeup consultations to kind of get you into that spring and summer months with the best looking skin that you can have.
Okay, now are we talking about just like if somebody's getting ready to get married, for instance, and want to have their eyes and their...
Yes, we do wedding consultations for bridal parties, including all of their makeup needs that they may have. But we're also talking about people who may have concerning brown spots or redness that is not concerning from a cancer level, but it's concerning from how they look and feel, and they like to take care of those.
So for somebody like me, this is the time of the year I go to the dermatologist to have any kind of those questionable spots looked at. And after that, if I say, okay, well, they're still pretty unsightly, but they're safe, then I go to see you. Exactly.
We want you to be concerned about anything that is medically necessary and definitely have your dermatologist look at it. But if it's still there, if it's benign and you want to cover it up, you've got a big event coming up, then we're the place to go.
Fantastic. And this is all part of a launch you guys are doing, the whole New You.
Yes, the New Year, New You, in order to kind of bring people into the new year feeling better about themselves and just enjoying the 2013.
Fantastic. Do you guys have specials available?
We do. We always have specials on our website, and they change every month.
Gift certificates?
We do offer gift certificates.
Fantastic. Dr. Blanks, it was great seeing you again.
Good to be here.
You can learn more by going to wilmingtonface.com.
This has been a WECT Business Break.